What's the meaning of Costa Coffee? Costa Coffee. Costa Coffee.
Costa Coffee. Costa Coffee. Costa Coffee is a British multinational coffeehouse chain founded in 1971. Its name comes from the Italian word costa, meaning coast. The company operates over 3,800 locations in more than 32 countries worldwide. Costa Coffee offers a wide range of coffee-based drinks, teas, pastries, and sandwiches. In addition to its traditional stores, it also has small-format Costa Express vending machines in various locations such as petrol stations and convenience stores. Costa Coffee is known for its high-quality coffee and friendly, welcoming atmosphere.